How to get logged in into the PNC Online Banking. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to use the PNC Banking for mobile or the website, just tap on any of your browser or Google and search for PNC Online Banking. Tap on the first link, which is by www.pnc.com, and it will open the website. Now you just have to tap on the sign on button, which is on the top right corner. Tapping on it, you'll see the page whereby you can enter your user ID and the password. If you have forgotten the ID or password, there's a link provided. If you tap on it, it will take you to another page. Now, first of all, you need to prove your user ID to reset. For that, verify your information using online banking user ID, social security number, and full PNC account number. And just by that, you'll verify and reset the password to get logged in. So that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.